Hey guys, how you guys doing? So I want to bring you a new product here. It's available for a lot of different vehicles, but I got it for the MDX right now, just to give you guys a little peek at what they look like. So let me show you here what I just picked up for the 2022 Acura MDX. So if you guys are debating on getting some new all-season floor mats here, I always stay away from the OEM ones just because they don't protect that much. They don't have really any lip on them, and they're really expensive. You can spend almost $200 for them. So I got these, and these are really nice. So check these out. They're from a company called Nilight. They're a molded design. I like them because you get all 3 rows, so that's nice. You don't have to pay extra for the 3rd row like you do in the Acura ones. They have high lips on them, really nice. Let me go ahead and show you what they look like. So they have a nice texture. It's kind of hard to explain, but it's like a soft rubber, has a nice feel to it, so they won't be slick on your feet. They cover the dead pedal here, as you can see. Really high coverage on the sides, and they utilize the OEM retaining clips, which is nice. That's always a nice thing because it's a safety issue. And then this is the 3rd row, and these will lay out when your car gets hot. They've just been folded up. Like a nice texture. And then here's the 2nd row. And then it has these little indentations that allows the little retainer to sit up inside there. So really nice design. I like these. If you guys, do a lot of outdoorsy stuff in your car, these are a great option to put in there because they cover so well, so you won't be spending all afternoon trying to clean the carpets of your car if you got mud and all that kind of stuff on them. So let me go ahead and put them in the car, and I'll show you how great they cover. So check them out here. Really nice coverage. Like the design. They go up. And like I said, these have been folded, so when they heat up, they'll mold back down. And I like this here where it goes all the way over the edge. So that spot always gets kicked when you get in and out of your car. Has the OEM retaining clips. Nice and secure. Really great coverage. And then here I'll show you the 2nd row. Same thing. They go way up under there. They go over the side right here. So if your kids jump in and out of there, it'll cover. You won't be scuffing up the side. And then also the 3rd row here. Check that out. I would say it goes up at least 2 inches all the way around. So like I said, if you have a lot of riders in here, you drink in your car, eat in your car, this will definitely make cleaning it a lot easier. And right now they're under $130, guys, for the full set, where you're going to spend probably about $100 more than that for the OEM ones that don't cover nearly like this. So if you're interested in some floor mats for your vehicle, like I said, they make them for a lot of different vehicles too. So just click the link in the description. It'll take you over to their Amazon page, and you can check through and see whatever they make for the different vehicles. They cover a lot of different ones here, but look at the coverage on the driver's side. And that's where a lot of them fall short on this side. So really happy with these. A great texture. Like I said, if you do a lot of stuff outdoors, these cover really well. So just check the link in the description, guys. I think you'll be happy with these. They offer a lot of great coverage for these vehicles, and you can't beat the price. And like I said, they have a nice texture too, so your feet won't be slipping around. So I think you guys will really like them. I really do. So again, I appreciate it. Hope everyone's having a great day out there, staying safe. And if you haven't, please hit that subscribe button. It means a lot to me. I really appreciate that. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks again, everybody.